Creating a playlist and organizing your videos. One additional bonus strategy that I recommend that you experiment with is playlists. Now, here is an article from YouTube themselves about playlists and that they recommend that you use them. And it's in order to provide basically an extended viewing experience for all the traffic that is coming to that playlist, so that rather than going to another video, they stay maybe within your channel, or they go on to related videos that you select when you're creating the playlist. So it's easy for viewers basically to watch multiple videos without having to change, without having to click. They just go and end up watching them. Now, what happens is you can create the playlist for these different videos. You, of course, want to optimize them, meaning just add the description, make sure that your titles are good, everything like that. But then when you publish the playlist as a channel post, it's going to go to your channel feed. People can click on it. It increases the amount of minutes people spend on your channel. So go ahead and check out this article. And then you can go ahead and take some of your videos and create a playlist. Now, where do you do that? Well, if you go under your video manager and click on playlists, then it's going to show your different playlists. And the way I like to group them is basically based on content. So for example, here we have all our copywriting content. Here is all our webinar content. And if I wanted to just create a new playlist, all you do is put in a title. That's it. Maybe I would go and talk about Digistrats, product creation, maybe playlist or strategies, just to keep it with the theme. You press on create, and then you just work with it right here by adding videos. You select all these different types. Usually you'll click on your YouTube videos, and there you just search whichever ones you want to put in there. So I would put in these two, this one, and then hold Control and select this one as well. Add these videos, and your playlist is pretty much automatically done. That's it. Now, if we have our playlist here, you would maybe assume that if we click on playlists again, if we have them here, you would assume that if someone goes to your video and let's say they go to the first video, for example, our webinar in our webinar playlist, let me show you this, that if I go to this first video, which is the first video of the webinar playlist, that automatically it's going to funnel them to the next video. That's not necessarily true with playlists. So if someone happens to randomly stumble on this webinar alchemy video, it doesn't mean that they're just going to get automatically funneled into that playlist. Because as you can see, up next is still a video from our channel, but it's our Cornerstone Copy Cube framework, which is completely unrelated. It's still about copy, but it's not about webinars. So they didn't stay within the playlist. And the reason I want to point that out is because you will have to go, if we go back into this article and scroll down, then we'll see these examples. Basically, you want to do this channel post, or when you post externally on social media, things like that, then you want to link to your playlist rather than just that individual video. And then people can, once they click on that, they can go through your playlist. So those are some playlist strategies so that you can get more minutes when it comes to your traffic and people viewing your videos.